Listen carefully to this shadow technique to improve your English skills. Once upon a time, in a cozy town picturesque village of Willowbrook, there lived a young man named Tom. Tom had always dreamed of landing a job at the bustling city firm, but he knew his English skills needed improvement for that. One day, while browsing through the town's library, Tom stumbled upon an old book titled Mastering English with Shadows. Intrigued, he flipped through its pages and discovered a unique technique for enhancing English speaking abilities. The book revealed that by observing the shadows of everyday objects and mimicking their movements, one could naturally improve their English pronunciation and fluency. Eager to give it a try, Tom ventured out into the town square where the afternoon sun cast long shadows. With the book in hand, Tom practiced speaking English phrases while watching the shadows dance and sway. At first, he felt a bit silly, but he remembered the book's advice: let the shadows guide your speech, and soon you will speak with confidence and clarity. As days passed, Tom's confidence grew, and he noticed a remarkable improvement in his English speaking skills. He found himself conversing more fluently and articulately with the townsfolk, impressing them with his newfound proficiency. One sunny afternoon, as Tom practiced in the town square, he caught the attention of a group of tourists passing through. Intrigued by his confident demeanor and clear pronunciation, they struck up a conversation with him. Using his improved English skills, Tom enthusiastically shared stories about the town's history and guided the tourists to its hidden gems. The tourists were amazed by his ability to communicate effectively in English and praised his linguistic talents. Word of Tom's remarkable progress spread throughout the town, and soon he became known as the shadow speaker. People from all walks of life sought his guidance and assistance with their English, and Tom was more than happy to help them. With each passing day, Tom's passion for the English language grew stronger, and he realized that by embracing the shadow technique, he had unlocked a world of opportunities. Armed with nothing more than a book and the shadows of the town square, Tom embarked on a journey of language mastery and self-discovery, confident that his dreams of a better job were within reach. As Tom continued to practice the shadow technique, he received an unexpected opportunity: an interview for his dream job at the city firm. With his newfound confidence, he aced the interview, impressing the hiring managers with his impeccable English skills. Thanks to the shadow technique, Tom landed the job and embarked on a fulfilling career journey. He never forgot the humble beginnings of his language learning adventure, always grateful for the shadows that had guided him to success. And so, with determination and a sprinkle of magic, Tom's story proved that with perseverance and a little creativity, anything is possible. Keep practicing with us to enhance your English skills.